Let- Everyone, welcome to class. I would love to hear about your weekend, but let me tell you about my weekend first. So, over the weekend, let me charge my computer because it's also about to die. Over the weekend, I went to Guayaquil. I traveled to Guayaquil for a friend's birthday, and it was so much fun. I really liked it. We rented a place in Via La Costa and we had like Olimpiadas. It was really fun. I got to see my friends. I only went for 2 days, but the weather was beautiful and yeah, it was nice. It was nice. What about you guys? How was your weekend? What about you, Isaac? What did you do? Tell me all about it.
This weekend I went to the church.
Nice. Okay. What else?
Nothing else.
All right. Okay. Sounds like a relaxed weekend. What about you, Josie?
I was working my weekend.
You worked the 2 days, los 2 días?
Yes.
Oh, that's a lot of work. Okay, thank you, Josie. Flor, what can you tell me about your weekend? What did you do?
I watched I watched movie with my family,
Okay.
and and we ate ate pizza.
That sounds delicious. Okay. What about you, Daniel? How was your weekend?
My weekend this this fine.
What did you do?
Nothing.
Nothing? I don't believe that you did nothing. You have to tell us something. What did you do?
Nothing interesting.
Okay. Thank you, Alejandro. What about your weekend? What did you do? How was it? Alejandro? I don't hear you, Alejandro. Do you guys hear Alejandro? I don't hear him. Okay, now speak. Not now. Mm, I don't hear you, Alejandro. Do you guys hear him? ¿Lo escuchan? No, ¿verdad? Oh, okay. Let's try later, okay? Daniel, please, can you tell us about your weekend? Daniel is gone. Cynthia?
The last weekend
This weekend, what did you do?
was so bad because the water went off of them. Uh,
So you didn't have water?
no,
Okay, what else did you do? Can you tell me something positive?
anything.
You mean nothing? Nada?
Mm-mm.
Okay, thank you, Cynthia. Esther, we finished with you. How was your weekend?
Um, Take care for my sick nephew.
You took care of your nephew. What is happening with your nephew?
Um, varicela.
Oh, chicken pox. Yeah, poor thing. I hate varicela. How old is your nephew? How old is he? Esther?
Yes.
How old is your nephew? ¿Cuántos años tiene tu sobrino?
Um, four, four
Okay,
years old.
he's little. Yeah, the varicela doesn't get as bad with little kids. Okay, thank you. Alejandro, can you try now with your microphone? No, we don't hear you. Not sure why or what's going on, but okay. All right. It's okay. All right, guys, let's move on quickly to what we are doing today for class. Today, we are learning two topics if we have the time. With my last group, we didn't have the time to get to two topics. We did one. So let's see how we do this time with you guys. The topic today is this one. Let me share my screen real quick. Please, something before we start. I need you to pay attention to the exercises today. Today we have 4 different exercises that we are doing and that need your full attention. What happened to the last group? Someone was saying one example, one sentence, and I asked someone else, okay, so give me another example. And the other person was like, Miss, can you repeat? And it doesn't make sense because we were in a sequence of events. We were in a sequence of sentences. So I either didn't explain myself or they didn't pay attention. So if you don't understand what I'm saying, you can always tell me, Miss, can you repeat? But please pay attention because today we want to go fast with the topic, okay? And it's really important. The topic today is how to use the words a few, a bit of, many, much, and a lot of. Suena fácil, but so many people are making mistakes when using these words, and we don't want to be that people. So we are learning today how to use them properly. Now, let me share my screen and let's dive right into it, guys. Okay? All right. So the words we're learning today are these ones. A few, a bit, many, much, a lot of, and lots of. Okay? We're learning all those ones. And they are actually really important. These words right here are quantifiers. What are quantifiers? Quantifiers tells us how much or how little of something there is. ¿Qué tanto o qué tan mucho hay de algo? Okay? But today we're going to learn how to use these words with 2 groups. Countable and uncountable nouns. Now, give me 1 second. Let me get something. Let me get something. Okay. So, what are countable and uncountable nouns? Can someone here please tell me what is a countable noun? Can you raise your hand, please, and tell me what is it? Okay, Flor, please help us.
Things that are not possible to count.
Very good. Can you give me a little example, please?
For example, water or oxygen.
Very good. Those are countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Very good. Excellent. Thank you so much. Excellent, Flor. Uncountable nouns are words that we cannot count. These words right here are liquids, emotions, feelings, etc. Okay? And what are countable? ¿Qué son contables? ¿Quién me dice? Who could tell me? Isaac, do you remember qué son contables? ¿Recuerdas? Maybe.
Los que reflejan la acción.
Los sustantivos contables son aquellos que podemos contar. Cosas que podemos decir en plural. Dame un ejemplo, Isaac. Give me an example. De una palabra contable.
Dinner.
Dinner. Dinner? Cena? Yeah, a dinner. Yes, that's true. That works. Una cena, dos cenas, tres cenas. Yeah. Actually, you know when, ¿saben cuándo algo podemos decir que es contable? Cuando podemos utilizarlo con la palabra a y an. I have an special dinner today. Okay? So, dinner, it's okay. All right, guys. Countable. Things we can count. Things we can make plural. Apple, apples. Tree, trees. Knife, knives. Uncountable. Things we cannot make plural. Information, homework, furniture, etc. Now, let's learn when we can use the word a few. Please, Flor, help me with the first two paragraphs right here.
These words are phrases are quantifiers. They tell us how much or how little of something there is. For small quantities, use a few with plural countable nouns. A few people in my office speak English.
Very good. Thank you so much. Daniel, can you give me an example with the word a few? Another sentence with the word a few.
For small quantities, use a few
No,
with
no, 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 no.
plural.
A sentence with the word a few. This is what I was talking about, guys. Now we need to be paying attention because now I ask someone, okay, give me an example sentence, and they are lost. Flor just read the use of a few. Now I'm asking you for an example sentence with the word a few. Okay, let's see somewhere else. Let's see Josie. Josie, can you give me an example with the word a few?
People in my office speak English.
No, you also just read the sentence, okay? So this is the example that the book is giving us. I want a different example with the word a few, but a different example. Can you give me a different example with the word a few, please?
Mm. Mm. In my party, está bien, sí.
Yeah.
In my party, a few people. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah. In my party, there's a few people. Very good. Thank you so much. Okay, next one. Please, Isaac, help us reading the next one.
What's
The next one, please. The next use a bit of that one. I need you to read.
use a bit of with uncountable nouns? It like a bit of advice about going to university, please.
Thank you so much. Cynthia, can you give me another example with the use of a bit of?
A few, desde ahí.
No. Chicos, ok. Necesitamos full atención. Les digo en español. Ya vamos 3 alumnos a quienes les digo, por favor, otro ejemplo y me quieren leer lo mismo que ya acabamos de leer. And that's because we're not paying full attention. Okay? So, Cynthia. We just read this second use right here. I need you to give me another example with the use of a bit of. Okay? No. Alejandro, is your microphone working?
Yes, miss. I am with the
Okay.
phone.
Nice. Okay, Alejandro. So we just read the excerpt, the second use of the words a bit
Mm-hmm.
of, and it's for uncountable nouns. Can you give me an example of a sentence with a bit of? For example, with the word information. What sentence could you make with information and the word a bit of?
I only use a bit of information in my essay.
And yeah, that's amazing. Thank you so much. Very good. The next one, please. Josie, help us reading the third paragraph, please, here. For large quantities.
Eh, mm,
Here, please, help me reading this part.
A ver, for large quantities whose many with plural countable nouns, there are many trains at night. How many times have you been to London?
Thank you so much. Entonces, la palabra many la usamos con palabras contables, pero cuando son largas cantidades, ya vimos que para pequeñas cantidades, contable, a few, incontable, a bit of. Okay? Also, for large quantities, contable, many. Vamos a ver oraciones de ejemplo. Flor, can you give me an example sentence with the word many?
We don't have many exams this month.
Very good. Thank you so much. That was great. Okay, let's continue with the next one. Now we go with, oh, where's my mouse? Okay, here. Okay, now we go with the next use. Let's move on with this page right here. And Isaac, please help me reading the next paragraph. Now let's talk about qué usar con la palabra much. ¿Con quiénes lo podemos usar la palabra much? Es muy conocida en inglés y muy mal usada también. Vamos a ver. Por favor, Isaac.
We use much with uncountable nouns in question and negative sentences. How much money do you need? We don't have much time.
Very good. Excellent. We use this with uncountable nouns. For example, the word time is uncountable. Cynthia, can you tell me an example sentence with the word time? Or Esther also could help us. No, guys? Flor, maybe? An example sentence with the word much.
Eh,
Is that my complex?
I
Yes.
I don't have much water.
Okay, yeah, that works. That works. Water is an uncountable noun, and we use it with that. Yeah, thank you so much. All right, now the last one, please. I don't hear Cynthia or Esther when I call them, so I'm gonna try with Daniel. Daniel, can you help us with the next paragraph, please?
I have
No,
I
please
have much
help us reading this paragraph here, please. We're reading it right now.
use a lot of or lots of with plural countable nouns or uncountable uncountable nouns. A lot of st- students ride bike
Bikes.
to
Bikes.
college.
Mm-hmm.
Bikes to college. You can save a lot of money if you cycle,
Huh?
or walk.
Very good, guys. Okay, so the word a lot of or lots of work with both countable and uncountable, plural forms only though. Work with both. So let's summarize. We just learned that we have a few words that are actually very useful. We call them quantifiers, and we need to learn how to use them properly. Which word do we use with small quantities? Countable nouns. Countable nouns,
A
small.
few.
Excellent, Alejandro. Good job. Thank you for participating. And now, which word, Flor, do we use with uncountable nouns for small quantities? When we're talking about, I'll give you two options, many or a bit of.
A bit of.
Very good, thank you. So guys, remember, I'll say it one more time. Small quantities, in small quantities, we have the countable nouns, a few, uncountable nouns, a bit of. Now, large quantities, countable nouns, many, uncountable nouns, much. Okay, don't worry. At the beginning, it could sound a little confusing, but we will practice right now. And at the end of this lesson, you will be more comfortable with the topic. So, right now, we have an exercise that we're going to do. We are going to underline and correct the mistakes in these sentences. I'll help you with the first one. What is the line of thought in this one? So, Miss Natalie says, we haven't got many time. And Isaac says, time. Time is uncountable because I cannot count time. So, but many? Many with uncountable? No, many is used with countable. With uncountable, we use much. So the right sentence is, we haven't got much time. Okay, so that's the answer. And Isaac will send me the sentence in the chat box. You have to read the next ones. No solo los errores están si es many, much, few o lot. Algunas palabras aquí están con un plural que no es necesario poner. Por ejemplo, look at the number 4. Ahí vemos la palabra informations. Informations puede ser plural. Es un sustantivo incontable. No puedo hacerlo plural. Entonces hay que eliminar esa S. All right? I'm going to give you 4 minutes to do this exercise. And I am going to split this so you can see it in both sides. 1 second. I want you to see on the right the uses, and I want you to see on the left the exercise a little zoomed in. So give me 1 second, guys.
Miss,
Yes, Alejandro.
o sea, hay que ponerlo en la oración verdadera, en la correcta.
Yes, in the chat box, please.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me go to the page faster. Okay, here we go. And here we are. Okay, this is the exercise. And here on the right, I'm going to put the uses so you can see them while you do the exercise. A las 8 y 36 checamos las respuestas. Ejercicio 2. Remember, in the chat box, send me as a direct message the sentences corrected. Aquí a la derecha les dejo los usos de las palabras y con cuáles deben usarlos. But as I told you, no solo es sobre eso, también hay palabras que no están completamente bien escritas. So, take a look. Okay? No wrong answers. And guys, please, do this on your own. ¿Vieron el flujo de pensamiento que tuve cuando dije, ok, time is not countable? So, si nosotros usamos IA para enviar las respuestas, nunca va a suceder esa conexión aquí que se va a hacer que el tema se quede en la mente. Hagámoslo nosotros solos sin uso de internet, because here is the place to make mistakes. So do it on your own, and don't worry, we will correct each other today also. 4 minutes, guys. I will be with you in 4 minutes, okay? Okay. Let's check your answers. I can see, I haven't seen your answers. Okay, I see Alejandro. Okay. I see Isaac. Okay. Let's see. Cynthia, Isaac, Alejandro. Okay, let's check the sentences. Please. Alejandro, help me with number 2.
I drank a few water when I wake up.
I drink a few water when I wake up. Okay. Water. Water, Alejandro, is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Water? How do you count water?
And uncountable.
Yeah, liquids are uncountable because we need una medida de, como que, una unidad de medida, like gallons, liters, glasses, bottles of water. So a few is correct here. What's the word that we should use instead of
No,
a few? Yeah, what's the word?
a bit of, I think.
Yeah, that's correct. You can use a bit of. Thank you. Next one, please. Flor, number 3. What do you think is the mistake in number 3 sentence? Flor is not here. Isaac, please.
The 3.
Yeah, 3. What do you think is the mistake?
They are a lot.
Ajá, la letra A no está.
They,
Y si ustedes ven la regla, la
is-
expresión es a lot of. Solo dice lot of. A lot of. Very good. Number 4, Josie. What do you think is the mistake?
Eh, can you help? I need some information about train times.
Ya, ¿cuál fue el error que viste en la oración?
La S.
Ajá. Information no es plural. Un sustantivo incontable no puede ser plural. Very good. Thank you, Josie. Next one, please. Cynthia. Number 5.
How much time do you have online?
What's the mistake?
Yo creo que está bien.
No, there's a mistake. Esther, do you know the mistake? So, Cynthia. Oh, Esther.
The five.
Hmm?
The five.
Yeah, number 5.
How much friends do you have online? Y el error era how many friends.
Exactly. So, Cynthia, friends is countable. Much solo se usa con incontables. Many se usa con contables, okay? Very good. And we have the last one. Isaac, do you know the mistake in the last one? It's a tricky one. It could be tricky, that one.
¿En cuál?
What-
¿En cuál? ¿En cuál?
The mistake is the word furniture. It should be furniture without the S. Porque furniture sin la S significa ya muebles. Entonces no hay que ponerle nada más. Okay, very good. What happened with Flor? I'm surprised that she left. Okay, 1 second. Let me text this and let them know that she's not here. 1 second, guys. Okay, so with the exercises that we just did, I'm pretty sure that it's very good understood. But now let's try it again. Let's go for another exercise. And this one right now is going to be the test to see if you understood the assignment or not. So we're going to the main page, okay, right here. And the exercise says the following. Miren lo que dice este ejercicio. Es facilito. So, aquí, en este cuadro, tenemos 6 reglas, pero las primeras 4 tienen palabras en cursiva. You can see them in italics right here. You see? These two. What's the exercise? You have to choose which one is correct for them. Just the first 4 sentences, we need to choose. For example, number 1. We use a few for small numbers with countable or uncountable nouns. What's the answer, guys? A few.
Uncountable.
Countable.
Countable or uncountable? Alejandro, ¿dijiste uncountable?
Ajá.
Okay, vamos a chequear. Let's check before we do the exercise, okay? So we can be sure of it. Veamos aquí. A few. Aquí está, chicos. Look. For small quantities with plural countable nouns, we use a few. Con uncountable, a bit of. Okay? Entonces, pequeñas cantidades. Contables, a few. Incontables, a bit of. Largas cantidades. Contables, many. Incontables, much. Vamos al ejercicio. You have 2 minutes to put in the chat box. 1/contable. 2/blah, blah, blah. You decide. Number 2 says, we use a bit of for small amounts with, you decide, countable or uncountable. We only have 5 minutes left of the class, so I need you guys to do this very quick. We have 2 minutes to do this, and then we finish with the last exercise. Okay, I see Alejandro's answer right now in the chat box. Thank you so much, Alejandro. Okay. Thank you so much, Isaac. Your answer is correct, Isaac. It's also correct for Alejandro. Good job. Very good. All right. Let's check the answers together, guys. But first, let me share something here. 1 second. Okay. All right. Okay. So, guys, number 1, please, Isaac, help me reading with the correct answer.
We use a few for small numbers with countable nouns.
Thank you. Number 2, please, Alejandro.
We use a bit of for small amounts with uncountable nouns.
Thank you so much. Please, Cynthia, number 3. No, Esther, number 3.
If not a few videos game, but I can buy name more because they
Esther, we are in number 3 right here. Please, Josie, help us with this one.
With countable, uncountable nouns in question and negative sentence, we all use much.
Ok, ¿cuál es la respuesta correcta? ¿Contable o incontable? ¿Con qué oraciones utilizas much? ¿Contable o incontable?
De las tres puse uncountable.
Muy bien, perfecto, Josie. Sí, muy bien. Y número 4, por favor, Alejandro.
We knows in question a negative sentences.
¿Con qué usamos many? No te oí. ¿Con contable o
Countable.
Ajá,
Countable.
muy bien, perfecto. Vamos a quedarnos aquí a revisar estos 4 minutos que quedan, because I need you guys to review this with me. I see that some of you have some doubts still. Okay, so number 1 says, I put a bit of or a few makeup on. Makeup, maquillaje, es incontable. Josie, si maquillaje es incontable, dirías a few or a bit of makeup. ¿Cuál de los dos utilizas con incontables?
A bit of
Excellent. There you go. We say a bit of makeup. Alejandro, the next part says, but not many or not much. We're still talking about makeup. ¿Cuál de los dos para
Not
incontables?
much.
Very good. Amazing. Next one, Isaac. It doesn't take many or much time.
Much time.
Amazing. Time is not countable. So we use much. Hours, however, what is it? A lot of or a few hours? Cynthia. Cynthia. No, Esther.
a few hours.
Thank you so much. Yeah, it works, a few. The next part, number 3. Alejandro, I've got a bit of video games or a few video games.
A few.
Very good. Video games is countable. So we use a few. There you go. And the next part says, they cost much or a lot of money, Isaac.
A lot of money.
Very good. A lot of money. Yes. Number 4, those new light bulbs. Light bulbs son los focos los focos. Those new light bombillas. Those new light bulbs don't use many or a lot of electricity, Josie. Electricity. ¿Contable o no contable? Electricidad. ¿Qué opinas?
La electricidad es incontable.
Exactly. So, para incontable, many or a lot of?
A lot of.
Very good. Many es solo para contable. Very good. Y la siguiente, veamos. Alejandro. So, lots of people or much people are buying them.
Mm, mm, mm. A lot.
So,
A lot of people are buying them.
buying them. Yes. Yes, very good. Lots of people. Thank you. Number 5, Isaac. I don't use much or many shampoo.
Much.
Much, porque shampoo es un líquido, no puedes contarlo. Dices una botella de shampoo, ¿verdad? Eso es incontable. Esther, just a bit or just a few?
Just a bit.
Very good, porque es incontable, just a bit. And my hair always goes dry if I use a lot of or a lot. It's a lot. And we're going to stop here, guys, because we don't have much time, but we did it. Lo hicimos. Lo hicimos excelente. El día jueves que pasó, yo no estuve en clase porque tuvimos un problema aquí con la computadora, pero nos envió deber. Voy a aprovechar y voy a enviar un pequeño homework para que ustedes puedan practicar solo este tema, ¿ok? Va a ser corto para que durante la semana lo practiquen, porque sí noto que hay que reforzarle un poquito. But apart from that, I'm so happy with the result at the beginning of the class and at the end. So congrats, guys. Thank you so much for staying also these last 5 minutes, and I'll see you tomorrow to continue. Have a great night. Bye-bye. Adios.
Bye, Miss.
Bye,
Bye,
guys.
Miss.
Bye.